and that was the assembly of our new pantry. So Tanya and I, welcome back to our vlog.
Yep.
And Tanya and I wanted to start this vlog a little differently. It was on the spur of the moment because we were not able to find the pantry anywhere, and she suddenly found it. So we decided to, at Walmart. So it's very economic. It's not at all costly.
Easy to assemble.
Easy to assemble.
Very sturdy.
Yes. So it is something that would fit extremely well
in a
for
small
us.
space also.
Yeah. So we assembled it. You guys saw how we did that. It was pretty easy. It just took a little bit of time, but it was easy. Marvel troubled us a little bit because he was trying to take all the cardboard and stuff. But let us show you our new cabinet. So this is our pantry and linen closet, kind of common area. So as you can see, all of this stuff was always on the washer and dryer. So it was kind of getting chaotic. Even this little one couldn't help. So we end up getting this one. And this one was a little bit more sturdy, around 50 bucks. Around 60-ish bucks, and the one which was less sturdy was around 30-ish bucks on sale. So
and that was black, and we like this color more.
No, this is more sturdy also. It has like thick wood and all that, and it can take up to 50 pounds on each shelf, and that could take only it would take 50 pounds on this and the bottom shelf, and then 30 pounds on the other shelf. So this was way better deal for us. So anyways, this is a little pantry cabinet. Tanya is gonna set it up, so all of this mess that's always used to stay here is gonna be much more organized here. And I think now that you have everything organized, you probably can do another video that many people have been asking, or maybe the whole kitchen organization, something like that. So well, anyways, my hands are awfully dirty. So Marvel, did you help Daddy assembling that thing? So anyways, we are gonna set that up. And by the way, if you're wondering where we moved Marvel's chest freezer, can you spot it? It's right in the corner where that teddy bear is sitting. Goofy is sitting, I guess, or Scooby, whatever name Tanya gave that.
Look at his ears. One of the ears.
Yeah.
It's like marbles.
So anyways, it's less noticeable there. It's like an extension of the chest itself. So we thought this is a better idea. We can use the space, and there's still space here, so we don't have to like clutter things in one row. So anyways, that's that. That's the change. Oh yeah, it's already 6:10. So I don't know where last 2.5 hours went. So anyways, so we are gonna take Marvel on a walk, but before that I'm gonna help her just organize the pantry area, and then we'll see you guys. Okay guys, so everything is set up. This is, I always tell Tanya that this is my first draft of things. Because as we use it, we realize, okay, this can be better, this can go here. We finally, when we got our kitchen set up, it took how many, like 2 or 3 times to finally get it done right. But anyways, for now, look at this area. This is all clean up. I was using that to clean some stuff. Anyway, so this is all clean up, and this is all lined up properly now. So the pantry is properly arranged, and washer and dryer are freed up. Can't do anything about this because this is Marvel's stuff. She washes his bowls and keep them here to dry on. We don't leave them. She doesn't like anything on the countertop. So choo-choo, choo-choo, come on, I'll just clean you up. What? I'm just gonna clean you up. No, don't take it. I'm just gonna clean you up, okay? Huh? Don't get angry on that. Huh? Don't get angry on it. My wand can get longer.
Yes.
Oh. What? On your dining table. On your dining table. Go. On your dining table. Whoa, sit. Oh. Yes, and please stay, okay? Mommy is making your dinner, okay? Stay. Be a good boy. So he's gonna wait, she's gonna make.
Also, let me tell you guys that the meal prep that we did other day, we have been following it so nicely, and
Yes, we are very proud of ourselves.
It, actually.
Yep, and we are very proud of ourselves.
Tomorrow is the last day. Not last day, I mean last day for this week because it's gonna be Friday.
Yeah, so we do meal prep for 5 days and then 2 days we just do
Normal.
eating.
Yeah.
Whatever we like.
But we won't go like too crazy. Or
Yeah,
something like that.
this weekend, but you can expect like nice something.
Yeah, and then Sunday we'll again do the meal prep.
Yep. And this Sunday there's gonna be a different kind of meal prep, so
Yeah.
stay tuned for that. So we are back from the walk and it's very hot outside. We went, even though we went a little late today. Tanya has made our dinner. What's for dinner, baby?
We have banana caramel with vanilla protein and pralines and cream. Pralines and cream is which flavor, baby?
It's Belgian flavor. It's like nuts and cream.
Cream, yeah, it's so good.
So, anyways, that's the dinner. I know many of you can actually go nuts on.
Thinking this about
Yeah, like, are you guys crazy? This is what you have for dinner. But anyways, if you have any questions, just comment and ask and I'll be more than happy to explain you. But I'm not gonna cover that in this video. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask before you actually decide to judge our lifestyle. And I'll be more than happy to tell you that why we do what we do. So yeah, so we are gonna have our dinner. Marvel is lying down here, and I don't think we are ending this vlog today because we started in the evening, so it's gonna last a little longer than usual. So it's gonna be a little unusual vlogging, but as I say, we don't want to miss stuff with you guys. So that's why when we got something, we thought, oh, let's start a vlog. We have been pretty busy all day. I was working. So that's why we didn't start the vlog today. But anyways, also don't forget to check out our meal preps and other stuff, as Tanya already mentioned before.
Yeah.
So we are gonna have our dinner and watch Lucifer. We are actually enjoying Lucifer so far, and I don't know, because it's kind of, if I have to give an analogy, it's like Dexter, but it's not Dexter.
Yeah.
It's like this guy is a lot of hell and he's on Earth. So there are some supernatural capabilities in this series,
it's a mix
but
of Dexter and Vampire Diaries.
exactly. So something like that. So I don't know. It's just what I am enjoying personally is the way this guy actually speaks, and the way genuinely this guy acts around humans. You know. So it's fun. It's fun. So far I'm enjoying it. We have watched like, I don't know, 3 or 4 episodes probably. So I'll keep you posted how I am liking this series and how she is liking this series. So for now, I'm gonna have my delicious shake.
Nice and cold shake, but it's so hot.
See you in a bit. Okay guys, so we were watching Lucifer, as you guys know, and now I am gonna start my PS4, but not to play. This is today we are sleeping in this room. This guy is gonna be here as well. I'm just gonna put his bed here. No reason, for absolutely no reason, but we decided to sleep in this room, our guest room. And let me know how many of you ever do this, ever do that, that you decide to not sleep in your room and go and sleep in the guest room. I'm just setting things up a little bit, and that's it. So Tanya is getting freshened up. This guy is here, that guy is there. I'm gonna bring his bed. Should I bring your bed, Marvel? And here, your bed. Get up. Come on. You can sleep on your bed, okay? Okay, so we are gonna go to bed now. And what did I say? Did I say something? we are gonna go to bed now, and we are gonna see you guys in the morning. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Good night.
Good morning, guys. It's super early. It's a beautiful Friday. The weather, I think last night it was raining, so, but it's not raining anymore. It's wet everywhere, but it's not raining anymore. I think the beautiful sun is gonna come up. So what I'm gonna do first thing in the kitchen is I'm gonna empty the dishwasher here. There are not much or many of the things. It's just the whole day's shakes and all this stuff, glasses and or meal prep containers and all this stuff. You can see here. So I'm quickly gonna empty this, take Marvel for a walk, come back, make our tea, and start the day. And also today, so there's a restaurant, a healthy joint restaurant. It's called BOLAY. So it has recently opened, like just 2 minutes from my place, and they're doing a grand opening today. They were doing a soft opening from the last 2 days. We went there on, today is Friday, we went on Wednesday. So we got free bowls. Mayan got a free bowl, I got a free bowl, and we love their food. I mean, we used to go to the other place before, but now that it has opened like so close to our place, we'll be going to this one now more. So we love the food. They are absolutely healthy and delicious, and they're just so good and flavorful. So today, if we we reach there, it's gonna open at 11 o'clock, and if we reach there by 11 and we are the first 50 guests, one of the first 50 guests, we're gonna get $100 gift card. So Mayank won't be able to go because it is 11 o'clock. He will be working that time, so I'll leave my house at 11. I'll leave my house at 10:45, and I'll go there and I'll try to make it in one of the first 50 guests, so that I get a $50 gift card. But that'll be again a BOLAY gift card, which obviously I'm super excited because I can go and get it in BOLAY. So I'll get like 2 bowls, one for me, one for Mayank, and 2 gift cards. Super excited. So anyways, let me do all this stuff right now, and then come back, make tea, and start our day. Okay, my tea is ready, and my cup today, it says morning sunshine. I've been oiling my hair at least 3 times a week now. Coconut, I'm just using plain coconut oil, and yeah, it makes my hair very soft and nice. Okay guys, I'm done with my bath and everything, and I'm also done cleaning. It is already time for me to leave, so I'm just going to empty this vacuum here, and I'm going to go stand in a line, make sure that I'm in the first 50 guests, so that I can get my gift card. Anyways, Marvel is here, and I'm gonna go now. Okay guys, I'm back. And by the time I reached there, it had already crossed, like I was the 58th person, so I don't know how long people were already sitting there, but yeah, you know baby, it was so crowded. I think people were sitting there, I think they were literally sitting on the front, they were literally sitting on the floor.
I was telling you, people for these events, when they get free bucks,
yeah,
and stuff, they come way too early.
Yeah, he was telling me you can go at 9:30 and just sit there, and I was like, no, I think they're not so early. But
he was like, oh, it's a weekday, and
yeah, it's weekday, it's working time,
office hours and all that stuff.
Yeah, so I think I'll go by 10:30, but it was already full, so I just got the menu when I came back because it was so hot also. And anyways, I was not getting any gift card, so I can just go and get it anytime because it's open till 9 o'clock. So yeah, so we are gonna have the meal lunch that we had meal prepped. Marble, mommy did not win anything today. Marble, mommy did not win anything today. Okay. Anyways, it was fun. Like, people were literally running and coming and making the line so that they stay under 50, but it had already crossed. And by the time I was leaving, it was already 65, 64, something like that.
Yeah, there were more than 70 people there.
Yeah. Yes, Marvel. So anyways, because of BOLAY, I at least took bath early and did all my work, finished everything. And now, I'm gonna go and drink some orange juice. Okay, Marvel? Mommy's gonna drink some orange juice. It's so hot. Anyways, so today's lunch we have chicken biryani, healthy version. We're gonna be eating that, and then yeah. So let's change and drink some orange juice. Orange juice चाहिए? I use this orange juice. It has the ingredients. It's only orange juice, no preservative or anything.
सब इंक्लूडेड है, इसमें क्या क्या, इसमें 39 चीजें हैं ना, तो मैं देख रहा था कि क्या क्या इंक्लूडेड है।
Yes, what do you want here? I love you. Okay guys, so we are done with our lunch, and this is it for this vlog. So I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. So till then, bye bye.